Thank you for tuning in to LockeyUSA videos. This video will demonstrate how to install a TB250, 450, or 650 hydraulic gate closer. You will need to follow the TB250, 450, and 650 instruction document as you watch this video. To download the TB250, 450, and 650 instructions, please go to www.LockeyUSA.com/resources. The tools you will need to install your hydraulic gate closer are a power drill, a 10mm wrench, a 13mm wrench, and 4 screws or bolts to mount the post and gate brackets to your application. This gate closer mounts on the swing and open side of the gate and pushes the gate closed. A gate stop must be installed to keep the gate from opening beyond 90 degrees. If you are using tension or spring-loaded hinges, release all tension and remove the spring closers. Do not use this gate closer with bulldog or strap style hinges. For best results, you will want to use male and female style hinges. Step 1. Place the post bracket to the gate post and then clamp it in the desired position. Confirm the measurement is between 2 and 4 inches from the center of the first hole on the post bracket to the center of the hinge point. The closer you mount the post bracket to the 2-inch mark from the center line of the hinge will decrease the opening pressure. The closer you mount the post bracket to the 4-inch mark from the center line of the hinge will increase the opening pressure. Step 2. Attach the fitting bar to the post bracket. Attach the opposite end of the fitting bar to the gate bracket and then hold it to the gate. Clamp the gate bracket to the gate. Confirm that the measurement from hole 2D on the post bracket to the hole on the gate bracket is 29 3/8 of an inch. Remove the fitting bar. Step 3. Open the gate to 90 degrees and confirm the measurement from hole 2D on the post bracket to the hole on the gate bracket is greater than 22 inches. Secure the post bracket to the gate post. Secure the gate bracket to the gate. Each hole on the post bracket has a different opening pressure. Hole 2A on the post bracket will provide the least amount of opening pressure. Hole 2D on the post bracket will provide the largest amount of opening pressure. Step 4. Secure the post end of the gate closer onto the post bracket using the hexagon pin and the 2 white spacers. Secure the hexagon pin with the washer and the nylon lock nut using the 13mm wrench and the 10mm wrench. Secure the gate end of the gate closer onto the gate bracket with the hexagon pin and the 2 white spacers. Secure the hexagon pin with the washer and the nylon lock nut using the 13mm wrench and the 10mm wrench. Open the gate and remove the retaining bar. The TB250, 450, and 650 has a turn wheel to adjust the closing speed of the gate closer after it is installed. In this example, I am decreasing the closing speed adjustment. In this example, I am increasing the closing speed adjustment. For more information, visit www.LockeyUSA.com or call LockeyUSA Technical Support at 888 395-0163.